Minister Hensken, it's fantastic to have you here today. We have a lot of industry here, a lot of global corporations all coming to New South Wales and looking at our amazing innovation ecosystem. I know that some of them want to expand their footprint here and others are looking at setting up here. Why do you think these companies should think about New South Wales if they're R&D intensive?
Well, I think there are a couple of important reasons for why they would look to come into New South Wales. Firstly, we are the largest and most diverse and complex economy in the whole of Australia. We have 6 of the top 200 universities in the world here, so we've got an incredibly skilled workforce. And at a governmental level, we're doing a whole lot of things to support investment and businesses coming into New South Wales. We really are focusing on our strengths of technology and innovation here in New South Wales. So we're doing a whole lot here. It's a very dynamic environment. We're very excited. We're very interested in attracting foreign investment into our state, because by doing so, that will be the way in which we ensure that we stay the dynamic economy of Australia and the Indo-Pacific.
I understand that there are quite a few Swedish students at UTS as well, and UTS is constantly looking for international collaborations. How did it come about that you partner with the Swedish Chamber of Commerce for this event?
I guess one of the things that we've seen in common with what we're trying to do in the university, we're a university of technology, we're very focused on innovation and we're very focused on design and the intersection of all of those things. And if I think of Sweden as a country, famous for its innovation, famous for its design, famous for its technology, and it has an industrial base which is actually more diverse than Australia's. So I think there's some real opportunities to engage with Sweden as a country and sort of understand what elements have contributed to the success of the innovation ecosystem in Sweden and how can we build upon that and drive that here. And there's already collaborations between UTS and IKEA. We have a collaboration at Design, Architecture and Building faculty along those lines. I'd love to explore opportunities with other Swedish companies that are working here in Australia.
What would you say to Australian businesses about Sweden as an opportunity, as a new market? If they're looking overseas, why should they look at Sweden for potential investment?
We are one of the few countries that's always been saying that trade and investment, it goes both ways. I mean, we are interested in imports, we're interested in investment because that enlightens and enrich our country. Why should Australia go to Sweden? I think there are many, as you said, many similarities between Sweden and Australia. Culturally, politically, the way we look upon the world, the values we share in many aspects. So I think it's culturally, it's rather easy to go to Sweden. Sweden has a very well-educated workforce. There are good cooperation between Swedish universities and the workforce. So it's easy to go there and do business.
We are here, and what a morning we've had. We've had some great speakers already on this scene, and they have certainly provided us with some great insights.
Yeah, and it's amazing to see how easy and quickly we kind of came together from both Sweden and Australia perspective, and having Ambassador Melander here and then also Minister Hensken, and I could see that it kind of clicked immediately from the beginning, and that was just coming spontaneous speeches and so on, and it kind of shows that the collaboration, the radical collaboration that we want to kind of amplify is really starting here right now. It's been 2 days of a lot of exciting things happening. Anything sticking out for you?
I mean, it's been great. I mean, it was fantastic to have the Minister Henskens here. And I think it's fantastic with the Swedish Australian Chamber then, because that's what we can create. We can create this platform to initiate collaboration.
And I think also what gets up in my mind is by the way that we have built this event, with this really close engagement with all of the SAC members and the partners, that really brought also the quality content, and to see all of the members actually going towards this event and building up the program and so on. From a SAC perspective, like you say, we provide the platform, the possibilities, and give that stage to the partners, and then they do the rest.
It's going to be very nice to end this with a great celebration like
Yeah,
tonight.
I think so. Everyone has worked so hard for
Yeah.
the 2 days, and
Yes.
okay, let's go and enjoy the dinner now.